क्या है दोस्तों, ये है चौथा टेक इस वीडियो का. आई फिगर्ड I'd speak about permission, giving yourself the permission to write, to read, to speak, to pen down taboo thoughts, to express said taboo thoughts in public or in private on paper. इन कुछ बारों में मैंने सोचा हम बात कर सकते हैं. Because I understand that जो भी मेरे पास DMs and questions आ रहे हैं, they don't really have to do with techniques. They're guised as कि hey, I need help with techniques. But I really think it's a mindset problem. I think what people are looking for is permission to actually express themselves and be free. और I was lucky in the sense कि मेरे teachers और parents ने मेरे को एक एज तक permission दी कि आप अच्छा लिखते हो, लिखो. और I don't think that same permission, whether that is for sports, for maths, for some juggling talent you have, कुछ भी, इतनी permission I don't think by, ये मेरा opinion है, but I think कि लोगों को इतनी encouragement नहीं मिलती जितनी मिलनी चाहिए. And so, if this man's encouragement right here, I'm 23 years old, I'm still trying to figure my shit out just like you, trying to get better, trying to write better. If this permission matters at all, you have all of it. अगर तुम इसलिए रुक रहे हो ना कि नहीं यार पहले सीखूंगा और इससे वीडियो से फिर लिखूंगा या लिखूंगी, प्लीज डोंट स्टार्ट राइटिंग राइट अवे. गंदी ग्रामर, आर्टिकल्स, मैं चाहता हूँ लोग तुम्हारे पे काटा मारे, ये क्या लिखा है. एंड आई वांट यू टू फील एंड एंजॉय दैट फेलियर एंड दैट पेन. Don't wait for someone else. Now, I don't want to be your YouTube motivator uncle, whatever that is, right? But पर अगर मेरा hypothesis correct है, तो I don't think it's a technique problem. मतलब techniques, you don't even have to watch my videos. जाओ Google पे learn कर लो, techniques हैं. I really think it's a mindset problem where the opportunity to even express yourself on paper and knowing that nothing is going to go bad is, it doesn't even present itself in your purview. कभी शायद किसी ने बोला ही नहीं होगा. In fact, एक interesting चीज permission के बारे में ये भी है, is that I was forbidden to read erotica. I was forbidden to write bad erotic things. I was even forbidden to make dirty drawings. I did all three non-stop. और जो ये purest idea था ना language का कि, you know, like I'm talking about birds and doves and golden childhood, ये सब, there was that, sure. But that's what was encouraged. What was really discouraged was you will not read shit like Khushwant Singh. In fact, my parents were called एक time school के अंदर because I made a drawing of this guy peeing in a girl's mouth. I was 9 years old, right? I just had an expressive mind. So that was forbidden कि ये नहीं करना चाहिए. I was on Instagram yesterday and I came across this quote by Robert Bly, and an author I deeply admire. उसकी किताब Iron John, Men and Masculinity, is the greatest mythopoetic tale that you can ever put your hands across. Fuck all that way of the superior man, like, you know, like ये तुम alpha male कैसे बन सकते? Fuck all that crap. I think it's gonna help you understand what is truly male in the sense कि male myths क्या हैं, right? What is the story of males, quote unquote, and what has been the story of males through gods, through history, through tribes, right? All across the cultures in the world. वो male कहानी क्या है? What do males come together and do? It's a great book. So Bly says कि one of the sort of important things about initiation, it's a longer context, right? You can read the book, but he says is the genius is where the wound is, right? So wherever someone is wounded is right where the genius is. Now it's one of those things where you unpack it, you're like, really मेरे trauma के अंदर मेरी शक्ति है? I don't know, right? You can point fingers at that or you can try it out. And so if permission is really what you're looking for to write dangerous things that have been hurtful, things that you find absurdly funny about the world, but if you dared say it in public, there would be consequences. You'd be blackballed, shamed. सब लोग बोलेंगे, how dare, तुम ये सोच भी नहीं सकते थे, तुम कितने गंदे हो, कितने cheap हो, oh my god, you have a filthy imagination. Your paper is your friend. Your paper will not judge you, because it's the only person that will judge you is you yourself. And fuck it, man, you have to let out what was forbidden to you. It is imperative. Now I'm not making a case becoming a psychopath on the streets, but I'm saying there are harsh emotions, there are traumatic emotions, there are extremely enriching parts of your psyche, all of which we label as forbidden, or society labels as forbidden, and we keep it in a box, और इस box की चाबी हम फेंक देते हैं. I'm saying open that box. It's gonna put your life in chaos for sure, but you will find gems in that. I really don't know what else to say. If you are hanging on to everything I'm saying, be wary. This is not something, it's risky advice to give to people who are watching on YouTube, but it's the only thing I know. So if you're waiting for permission to discover yourself, this is your permission. Write about things that you were forbidden to talk about. Express that somewhere. You know, in psychology, there's this concept called the shadow. And it's something like if you don't purposefully meet the shadow meets you in your conscious moments, and you're like, what the fuck? Idea ye hai ki sometimes, you know how you have like this sort of anger attack, or you're furious, yeah, and then you're like, oh, I'm so sorry, XYZ, something came over me. This is not the natural me. Well, that's the natural you. That thing that came over you, that overtook you. And there are ways to sort of understand what that thing is, this sort of hidden power, the Pandora's box wo kya hai. And again, the paper becomes your friend to do that. Or, you know, I hate keyboard writing, but, you know, if you're someone like that, I'd make an exception. And I think this idea of keeping a diary and writing your thoughts down has sadly been relegated to sort of dumb teenage games, but it's really something very important, and I think you should look into it seriously. इसके साथ इस वीडियो को मैं समाप्त करता हूँ. If permission is what you were looking for to write, you have it. You always had it. You just didn't know it. I look to Tim Ferriss. कि यार Tim Ferriss, can there be a better life than this 9 to 5 bullshit? He's like, yes, here's the way. ये है मेरी किताब, मैंने permission दी, and then hundreds and thousands of us decided to quit the 9 to 5 and do something else. So, तो दोस्तों, सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलो. सब्सक्राइब करते रहो. 10 दोस्तों से 10 acquaintances शेयर करो. चैनल को उठाओ. हम सब साथ उठते हैं. And I can't wait when 30 days get over. I'll just look back and see हम लोगों ने क्या क्या create कर लिया. It's been great seeing you every single day in the comments, on the Instagram DMs, everywhere else. See you tomorrow.